The snow has begun.
Mm-hmm.
What do you think, Charlotte? You gonna have some record-breaking snow?
Mm-hmm.
Mommy and Daddy already lived through the biggest snow Binghamton's ever had, it turns out. I didn't realize that. I saw an output from...
The one in Waco?
Yeah, that 31.7 inches.
Wow.
In
That
20,
was crazy.
March of 2017, Charlotte. Now, we're not going to get to 31.7, but we looks like we'll be tickling 18 inches. You think you were only 19 inches long when you were born? We're going to get one newborn Charlotte
She's
worth of
20 inches
snow.
long.
Was she 20?
I thought 21.
Maybe. We'll have to check your baby book, Charlotte. We've already forgotten. It smells like fish down here.
Tuna fish.
Girls have been making tuna down here. Daddy's been in one meeting after the next since 8 a.m. and it is currently 2:11 p.m. I'm lying about it being in a meeting now so I could have lunch, but then I have meetings again till 5:30 after this. I'm falling behind on PDRs, but we're gonna have a snow day.
Also, we're 16 weeks along with Spooky.
Oh, that's exciting.
Then genitalia.
Sweet. Mommy's got 2 pairs of genitalia right now, Charlotte. Don't be too interactive, kid.
She's tired. I put her to work. We already. Honestly.
Look at Mommy's snow day vest. Beautiful.
Do you want to build a snowman?
Charlotte, first off, quit biting people. Second off, we were just talking about this blizzard starting, right, Charlotte? And I went, oh, there's a package outside. I need to get it. I need to get it before it gets snowed on. You know what that package was? It's your snow boots. They came right before the snow came. That's amazing.
It's a miracle. They were supposed to be here tomorrow.
Yeah. Oh, that's great. All right, it's a little after 4, Charlotte. You want to go touch the snow? Wow. Starting to really come down now. What do you think? What do you think about this snow? It is. We can go back inside now. You like it?
Well, look what we have here. The reason our seed has been disappearing so quickly. Very hungry deer. Jeez. Now his buddy's coming back. Keeping watch. Covered in snow. I'd say so. Why is that one the only one that gets to eat at the feeder? There's a third one, but I think he pieced out. Oh my gosh, look at his... Oh, he's gone.
So it's actually midnight on Wednesday into Thursday. And they said the storm pattern just shifted, and now Binghamton is the center of the storm. So now they're expecting like 31 inches. You saw me do this. What is happening? I gotta get shoes out of measure again. Alright, so at the end of my snow blowing, there was 8 inches of snow. And I felt, oh, if this is gonna be I probably got half of it. There's another 10. It has snowed 10 inches. It's snowed 10 inches since I snow blowed, which was, I got in about 9:15. 10 inches in 3 hours. Less than 3 hours.
That's wild.
This is ridiculous. We were only supposed to get 18 inches, and it's only midnight, and we have 18 inches. Oh, yeah, you're right. It's snowed on our porch. It's blown in on our porch.
That's amazing.
Jesus.
It's like, look at our deck. What the hell? It's ridiculous. This is gonna be more than.
This is the most snow we've ever received in this house already. In one sitting. Honestly, yeah, for the same reason I went out and shoveled at 9, I almost feel like I need to go again.
Well,
but
that's what I just said. Is that you should probably go out right now, right?
honestly, look at Ray's roof.
Just get the corner over there. Yeah, get that corner.
I did not fully believe it until I opened
Just like look at how it's snowing. This is ridiculous.
I opened the
That
garage
is
door.
so much snow. Can you fathom how much snow that is?
I don't think I've ever seen it snow like
I've
this before.
never seen it. This is gorgeous. You want to go dance in the street?
Yes, I do.
I do too.
I can't even see across the street. The neighbor's spotlight is gone.
Huh.
Alright, sit rep. It is 6:49 a.m. on December the 17th. And the most snow I've ever seen in one night has occurred. You'll notice that we do not any longer have deck railings. They're under the snow. Somehow we have lost our bird feeder entirely. The snow is up to our windowsills. We'll see this more in the daylight, but this is first sighting here, folks. What does PF mean? I'm really glad I took care of that 8 inches last night. Reports in the terrace are that there's 39 inches of snow out there. And deer trail come through. Interesting. Quite interesting. Crowsy's doing his job. It's still snowing. I don't know how long that's going to go. Guess it should. The snow removal should have happened in 3 phases, not 2. Probably will still be 3. Hi, darling.
Hi.
I don't have this on its usual tripod, so I'm holding it weird.
Yeah, I see that.
Becky just handed me a banana the most weird way.
Yeah. It's because the back isn't the prettiest, but it's a perfect banana.
So, what's your thoughts and feelings?
I'm glad I'm pregnant. I'm not lifting a shovel. I don't need this strain. Honestly, I could probably help with the steps or something.
No, it's all right.
This is nuts, though. This is definitely. I'm hoping That this isn't like a sign of things to come. You know what I mean? Like, yep, this is epic snow, and it happened 3 years ago, and then another 3 years, it's gonna be 50.
Oh boy,
inches.
you've gone all existential on us here.
I don't know. I don't even know how we're
You
gonna
need to
explain-
answer the real question.
I don't know how we're gonna explain this to Charlotte.
Where's our bird feeder?
I don't know. I think the deer took it. They're like,
Based on the deer trails in the yard, it does look like there was some looting. There was some crisis looting outside.
I don't know if you saw the video that's on here yet, but they're just up on the feeder.
Crisis looting of our bird feeder. The entire feeder's gone. Alright, check out this front door view. And remember that I already removed the first 10 inches of snow off this step last night. Mailboxes aren't going to receive many packages today. So our first look of the outside. I was just trying to feed birds, that's why I'm out here. I'm not really walking outside, I'm on our side porch. Side door. No, on the back deck. Look at this. I put these bowls out here for seed. Hopefully the birds get to them. They don't just get covered with snow. It's cold out here.
Did you wake up to Santa? Oh.
Good morning, Charlotte. It is 8:38. Charlotte's decided to join us.
Are you excited?
Ho, ho, ho. Look at your
Charlotte.
Santa sheets. Are you ready?
Oh. Charlotte, this is the most snow mommy's ever seen or daddy's ever seen. Right. Okay, are you ready? It's a lot of snow. Don't be scared. Look at Ray. That's amazing. Charlotte, that's a lot of snow. What do you think? Daddy's recording you. What do you think of that snow? Where's our mailbox? Where's our mailbox? What's all this snow? Look at their roof. Charlotte, what's all this snow? Is that a lot of snow? Oh, kisses. Oh, boy. Kisses for snow. You want to go see Mommy and Daddy's bathroom? How about your bathroom? Let's look at your bathroom. Oh, Charlotte.
Charlotte, where's your
Charlotte,
view?
we can't see. Look at the snow. Come here. You want to go downstairs? Ready to see the front door?
Okay, let's look out the front door, Charlotte. Oh my.
She goes, Mama. She goes, whoa, Mama.
Look at that snow.
Ah! She's like, no. What? What? What's this? It's snow. Look how much snow there is. What are we gonna do? What, bye? What are we gonna do?
We were gonna go sledding,
We're
Charlotte.
supposed to sled. There's too much snow. There's too much. Is that a lot of snow? Bye, snow.
Mama.
Mama.
And we experienced that. Daddy's gonna go outside and tackle it.
Oh. What?
What?
What are you gonna do with all this?
Pretty crazy, isn't it?
Yeah. Bye.
Bye outside.
Honey, it's not going anywhere. We gotta do a lot of work to shut more.
It's quite a bit taller than you are, Charlotte.
I know, there's an ornament there, but I'll get it. Hi. Okay, how many days? Look, she's really good at turning it. It was at 9. Put it to 8. Bring it to 8.
There we go.
8 days till Christmas.
Only 8 days.
Wow. And Charlotte.
All right, let's open up this garage door. Remember that I snow blew last night. I'm honestly not sure where to start now. Can one snow blow if it's well above the snow height? How did Ray do it? I'd like to go out and take some photos, but I don't want to ruin all of my clothes. Alright, I'm not done yet, but I've made progress. But I want to catch this before the plow goes by, because this is pretty absurd. So this is where you last saw me, and this is terrible. Low point of the year. Staying a lot. I'm leaving that on because I'm afraid it'll break. This is now cleared. So it looks like I haven't done the end of the driveway, but in actuality the plow hasn't done the road. There's the house. Oh my goodness. Look at this height. I don't know if we need Charlotte out here for reference. I mean, just here's the mailbox. There's the mailbox. Hi, Charlotte. Hi. Quit falling over.
All she wants to do is run.
Charlotte. Charlotte.
Why are we getting this close to the snow?
Well, I want a picture of her next to the bank. Here, put her closest to the bank. Look who's outside.
Whoa, that's our road.
Our road's all blocked, Charlotte.
Kids do not have school tomorrow.
She can touch it.
Until she gets buried by it.
What do you think, kiddo? You look cute. Nice spin move.
What did you think?
Yay!
Yay! Snow! Woo! Here we go! Woo!
Charlotte, I ain't never seen a sledding style like that before.
Woohoo! Hi, Charlotte!
You look like a skier who had an
Where's
accident.
Mommy? Where's Mommy? Ooh, where's Mama? Hi! Woo!
I
Yay!
might leave the snowblower outside. It's a bit on fire. Let's do that first. But it's done. Well, sort of. It took literally all morning, but the biggest snow of your lifetime is going to happen, I guess. Okay, Charlotte. Now we got the rest of the afternoon to play. Want to go back outside? Into the snow? Into the record snow? Of our life? Snow. Pretty crazy, huh? What do you think? There goes the plow. He's not driving very fast. Plow came back. All right, here goes Mommy.
I'm scared. What if I do get hurt?
You won't.
You sure?
Yeah,
I'm scared.
this is like so much snow. Hey,
Sorry. Price of doing business.
that sounds pretty good.
Let's go sledding. You want to go on your sled? Honey, I'm sorry.
Don't worry about it. This is no big deal at all. I was happy to. You can do it 2 more times if you wanted.
Just go pop, 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 pop.
Yeah.
You're like, okay, no.
I don't care.
You
Do you
should
think
care.
this matters to what I did today?
Look at our roof.
I know. She just fell over.
Hate it.
We're gonna trek through the yard. Are you ready?
No,
It's an adventure time.
I hate it. Come back. You guys know, seriously, come back.
This is as far as I made it.
Don't go anywhere else. Come on.
Here, take our picture.
Oh, I do. You guys are so cute. I'm gonna zoom in. Yee, smile. It's my angel baby. I'm gonna zoom in again. My angel babies. You love the snow. Do you love the snow? Oh my God, you're so cute. You're so cute. And you're so cute.
Charlotte, reinventing sledding.
Sled napping?
Yes. If she falls asleep in there. Pretty cool visual. Pretty crazy.
You're like a reindeer in the snow. Wait, guys, I don't know how to get up.
You're very agile. Yeah.
Were you starting a second one?
So I actually all right, the Charlotte sled hill is officially open.
Woo-hoo!
Here, I will hold the sled in place.
Go, Charlotte, you ready to go sledding? 3, 2, 1. Woo!
Hey, that worked pretty well.
Want to do it again?
Okay, anytime.
Here we go.
You can see, you can only see it in her eyes, but you can see it in her eyes. She's laughing.
I never knew that word until you said that. It's something. Watch out! Wow!
Whoa, you did a tricky turn that time.
That was fun.
Yay, that was great. You look terrific. And Charlotte, that was so fun. Oh, boy.
Careful, don't let her go down so low.
You had that look about him, didn't you? Yay!
She's very happy.
That was funny.
You did so well.
You did terrific.
Yay!
You did
Great
so
job! Was that fun?
Let's go down again.
Wow!
What's it with Dad's butt that we keep playing?
There's so much snow.
Yes.
Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me baby where the light is. I was scared of how I could have silence, but you made me feel good. I like it. When all these problems run like hell, maybe I just need a friend who never calls me crazy, crazy. You pull me off the front line before I run. Keep me cool when I get overdone. You can take me there. When my heart speaks free. Take my hand in the middle of a crisis. Pull me close, show me baby where the
Okay, Charlotte, it's time for bed. Good night. Let's say goodnight to all of our Christmas decorations. Good night, felt Christmas tree. Good night, Christmas books. In the kitchen. Good night, ornaments. Good night, Santa Claus. Good night, wrapping paper. Good night, Terry the Mask King. Good night, Mommy. Good night, lighted presents.
Yep, you say bye-bye.
Good night, Santa Decanter. Good night, Countdown Snowman. 6 days. Good night, Bavarian Nutcracker. Good night, stockings. Good night, train. Good night, tree yard. Good night, Christmas tree. Yeah. Good night, star. Good night, neighbor lights that are fully off now. Huh. Good night, Floyd. Good night, our Christmas lights outside. Good night, sleigh bells. Good night, downstairs palace. Good night.